Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching another video on our Gravely Zero Turn Lawnmower Striper Kit. Let's go take a look. All right, DIYers, we're outside and it is week 2, and this is our Gravely Pro Turn ZX60, and week 1 is scrolling above right now. Definitely check that out. We actually mowed in straight lines, and this week, week 2, we are going to mow in diagonal lines. And the Gravely girl will be down shortly. She is getting herself dressed in the USA apparel that she always loves to wear when she is mowing with her Gravely Zero Turn. And it is a nice afternoon. Light winds,